Hola clase, espero que todos estén bien. I hope that you're all having a good day so far. I sent out an email and a Blackboard announcement that I would not be able to make it to class today, Thursday, October 3rd. My kids are both sick, so I can't take them to daycare, I have to stay with them. But I wanted to show you guys what I want you to do and for today, what I would like for you to review in the book, the activities I would like for you to complete. And then this will be counted as a quiz grade for you for today, chapter 3. So if you go to our book, the grammar section, okay, on page 104, it goes through a couple of different grammar explanations. Tener and serte, possessive adjectives, and it goes through and it gives you basically an explanation, an overview of how to use those specific possession, like possessive adjectives, possession verbs, how to use them in a sentence, okay? And it gives you as well the English translation. And down here, it'll go to the exercises, okay? In all, for the different grammar explanations that we have for this chapter, there's about 12 exercises. So I want you to complete those on a Word document. Okay, so you'll open up a Word document. I'm opening mine right now. Okay, I want a blank document. So how I want you to structure this is the following. We'll go here to no spacing, Times New Roman, size 12. The first thing you'll put is your name. Okay, you'll put the class, so Spanish class, the number of the class, I think it's 1311. You'll put my last name, Gonzalez, and you'll put the date, okay? Skip a couple lines, you'll go here and you'll put a title, which could just be like Chapter 3 Grammar Exercises. Okay, and then you'll go through and you'll put activity 1, 2, 3, like whatever the answers are for this one. Okay, so an activity 1 or ejercicio 1. Let's go back to ejercicio 1. So this one wants you to use the form of the verb tener. So mi esposa y yo is the form of nosotros. So you have to conjugate tener in the form of nosotros. So for ejercicio 1, number 1, you would put tenemos. Oh, it changed it. Tenemos. For number 2, you would put tiene because it's talking about Camila. And Camila can be replaced with él, ella, usted. Okay? So I want you to go through all the exercises, all the grammar explanations. Okay? So we don't just have tener and ser. We also go through telling time, and we've already done that. So this should be easy for you. It should be a review. So it just basically wants you to write it out. We also have present tense, regular, AR, ER, and IR verbs. So it goes through that explanation. And then you'll just do the exercises here, and you should be conjugating it based on the subject. And this one tells you specifically to use the verb hablar. Okay, this one says to use leer and vivir because it wants you to get practice with verbs that end in AR, ER, and IR. The same thing is here. And then the last one is demonstrative adjectives, which is basically this and these, this and these. And the best way that I remember that from there, like the difference between este, estos, ese, and esos, is this and these have T's. So here's the T to kind of help you remember when should you use este, estos, or ese, esos. Okay? So like you see, we have 12 exercises. Please complete those. Exercise 1 through 12, and then what I want you to do at the very end of your Word document, I want you to tell me who your partner is for the oral midterms. And the way that you find that is you go to our Blackboard page. Here's the course materials section. Under course documents, you'll find everything, the examen oral rubric, and then here's where you'll find who your partner is. Remember, I chose specifically people that you didn't work with or people you don't typically talk to be your partner. And then I'm going to create a folder, okay, for you to turn in this assignment, the grammar exercise, but you don't have to turn it in until Monday at midnight. So today's the 3rd. Monday at midnight would be October 7th. So you'll turn it in before our next class, okay? So use this time to go through the grammar exercises. Use this time to start working on your homework, okay? Use the class time that we would have had today to work on this, get caught up on whatever you need to do, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Also, email me if you have any questions. I hope that you guys have a great week. That's it.